Good morning guys, day 2 of cycling in Koh Lanta. Today we're going to mangrove forest for kayaking. If Google Maps is correct, the place is called Green Lanta, but the last reviews are from before COVID, so we are not actually sure if there are any kayaks to rent, but it's only about 7 kilometers from our starting point, so we're gonna go and check it out. This is our second vlog from cycling in Koh Lanta. The previous one you can see here or here, I think here. We have a little break now. We're starting the same way as yesterday. The beginning of the path is the hardest. Only in the end. Yesterday we was turning right on the crossroad, and today we're gonna turn left. So the rest of the way is pretty the same. So for now we're not gonna record.
Yeah. So yesterday we've seen the fourth dead snake. If you see that red sign there, that's an intersection. Yesterday we went right. Not more than maybe 1 kilometer down the road, we've seen a dead snake. That was the third one. Then when we went back up the hill, up the mountain, we seen another one. That was the fourth one. And today from the intersection we took left, and just 100 meters we see another one. This is the fifth dead snake.
Every time I see that snake, I'm a bit scared, like, oh my god, what if there will be another alive and it's gonna beat us? Bite us. Beat us or bite us?
Bite.
Bite. We just got to the kayak spot, so this is how it looks like. Just be aware that on the way here there will be some people stopping you, kayak tour, blah blah blah. They're gonna try to take you to their shop, but the best way is just going straight towards the pier. It looks very nice here actually, and we're gonna leave our stuff here. There's a place to store the bike. I think there used to be a restaurant as well, but unfortunately not anymore. You can find the location, exact location, on Google Maps or on Maps.me, and it's 500 baht. Not sure how long we can use the kayaks. I need to find out. Julian's ready with his life jacket as usual.
Yeah.
Oh. So we will go with the small channel, then to the big one. Looks very peaceful. There are some more people coming, so we're waiting for them. You can choose the tour with the guide as well if you're not sure, or if it's your first time. Here's the map. Now we're going to a place where kayaks are located. I'm so happy this place is open actually. I was a bit worried, and you can see now it's a low tide. So usually there is the water. Probably when we come back in the afternoon there will be. You can also rent a long tail boat. It's about 1,500 for the long tail boat, and used to be at least what I was reading, and 500 for the kayak. We really love the kayaking, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're coming. Hello from our kayak. We paid 500 baht for kayak, and you can have it as long as you want. Do you need help?
No, I'm just going to the shadow to be more
Okay.
easier to film.
Let me show you our surroundings for now. So this is the big channel, but then we're gonna go to the smaller one where the monkeys are, and should be some birds as well.
What?
It's birds.
Oh.
Yeah. Apparently no crocodiles and no sharks, so we should be fine. As always, Julian's doing most of the job. I will be the cameraman.
Oh, take us closer.
Okay. So beautiful.
It's still there, yeah.
Yeah, he's sitting there.
Wow. I think it's a hawk, not an eagle.
Maybe. I don't know the difference, to be honest.
I think eagle is way bigger.
How are you?
Good. Happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Check out this big crab. Wait, I will try to zoom. He's just chilling there. Hello. Ooh. Tired?
Ah, yes.
We did already several kilometers. I don't know how long. We chose the longest possible path. The landscape is quite the same. From time to time you can spot some fish jumping to the water. We've seen few crabs. I recorded, but I'm not sure how good the footage is. Now we are about halfway, and to be honest, all the time we are alone. There was one passing boat, long-tail boat, two boats, one speedboat and one long-tail boat. But apart of that, no other people kayaking. I don't know where the other guys went, but maybe the other easier path because they were with kids.
Guide. I think he took them to the small channel.
Yeah,
Quick.
probably.
1 hour.
Wow, check out the medusa we found. So beautiful. The water here is so shallow.
We're stuck.
We stuck?
Yeah.
No hey.
No hej, no co tam? No pokaż.
We are in the middle of the river. Check this out. Just in the middle.
Okay, I gotta go to the rescue.
And we stuck. The water is so shallow, we stuck. Can you walk on it?
Yes, of course you can.
Oh.
A bit muddy. We are stuck now, but I can walk to the water and push Magda. Oh man, that's really shallow here.
I know, it's crazy. Stand up.
Ah, it's okay. Okay, it's getting a bit better now. Yeah, I think I should get in here. Oh, it's getting even muddier. So disgusting.
Careful, don't flip us. Okay.
Okay, let me wash my feet.
We are saved. We made a small mistake. We should have taken something to eat
Yeah.
because now we are kind of starving. we are kayaking for how long now? 2.5 hours?
2.5, yeah, nearly 3 hours.
Yes, and we have no food. Good, we have water, but no food. Okay, the worst part behind us. Only small channel ahead of us. 1 kilometer maximum, right?
I think so.
Yeah, so now we're going with the small channel, and at the end there should be our pier.
No, we go to the small channel, we get to the main river, we take another channel, and that's our pier.
I'm tired. How about you?
Oh my god, and we still have to bike 7 kilometers back.
Yeah, I want to stop kayaking. My back hurts so much, and we are hungry. We didn't take any snacks. Nothing, like even one banana. It seemed easy, but it's not. It's our second time, and I don't know what I was thinking, like we are a pro or what. Oh my god, we are here. Oh, here is the pier. We are so tired, but it was worth it. It's just shame that we did it last in the middle of the sun. I mean, yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. We paddled for 4 hours, around 4 hours, maybe even more. Show yourself. Look, check out his pants, it's all in salt. I'm all wet. I basically was sitting in water for 4 hours.
Yeah, I can see it with my eyes. I don't think I can see on the camera.
Anyway, like, look,
Yeah.
I can stick my pants to my body. Not the greatest experience. I don't think I would do this again. What do you think?
Fuck no.
We are really tired. Arms are shaking.
And we have 7 kilometers back to cycle.
We're gonna stop on the way and grab something to eat, because we're starving, honestly. Here is my tired baby. I need to admit that he did most of the job. If we would have to paddle with my speed, it would take us like 8 hours, maybe even more. So thank you, baby.
You're welcome. we are so tired.
We just came back to Khon Klong, our starting point, and now we are in a cute restaurant. We've been here yesterday as well. We're waiting for our food, so this is how we're gonna end this episode. We're gonna do the summary from the restaurant because we're not going to the beach today. We are too tired. The cycling was easy peasy. It was basically half of the way we did yesterday. But the kayaking, I mean, we did it to ourselves.
That's what broke us. We took the longest route possible.
Yeah.
We did 4 hours and a half.
Yeah, 4 hours and a half in a kayak. It's crazy. It would be nice if we would just take advice from the woman working there and took just like little canals. There are big canals, small channels as well. Just mind the tide. If it's low tide, not everywhere you can get, right?
Yeah.
But
Oh, coming! Wow, yummy! I made very special for you.
Okay,
Oh,
thank you so
ขอบ
much.
คุณค่ะ thank you ค่ะ and now you know this นะ
Yeah.
โอเค
yeah, he likes it.
enjoy ค่ะนี่
Thank you.
แล้วก็เลมอน
Oh,
Okay.
perfect. Put the lime as well.
Thank you.
General, you can do it, and kayaking is fine.
If you do the short
if you
route.
do the short route, depends on your strength as well and how advanced you are. It was our second time kayaking, so like I don't know. We were thinking we are pro already, but we are not. Anyway, our food just arrived. Today we're eating khao soi. This is how it looks like. So it's like crispy yellow noodles in the curry soup with vegetables, shallot, pineapple and crispy noodles on top. So that looks awesome. Here we have some add-ons. We have onion, pineapple, cabbage, and again some chili and peanuts. I'm not using it, but Julian likes it, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, enjoy.